Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2008 Mercury Mariner. This will be kind of the same as the Ford Escapes and the Mazda Tribute. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up, comment below, it's really helpful. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is start our vehicle. And then we're going to turn on max AC. Turn the dials all the way to the coldest setting so that they're as cold as it gets. Then turn your blower speed all the way up. Then you're gonna pop your hood. Alright, so now we're under the hood here. This is your low pressure port. So we're gonna take this cap off and set it somewhere safe. Then we're gonna take our recharge hose and connect it to that port. We can see here we're on the low side, but we are holding steady, so that's good. So we're just going to squeeze our trigger, oscillate our can between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock every 2 or 3 seconds. Just allow the compressor to draw the refrigerant into the system. Up close to 20. What we'd like to see it is when the needle holds steady inside that green area. A bit above 20. I'm just going to keep filling this. See, we're edging up a little bit. This takes a little time for the fluid to get, or the refrigerant to get drawn in. You want this arrow here to be inside this green area here. And that's about all there is to it. When you're done, you can unhook it and put the cap back on. But I'm going to have some Amazon links in the description below where you can get a recharge hose and refrigerant. Feel free to check those out if you want to. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button and comment below.